Anjanae chases Rahu away. Baby Anjanae thought the sun was actually some delicious fruit. He was fascinated by its size. I should get that yummy fruit. If I eat it, then I would not be hungry for a long time, he thought. He quickly jumped into the sky and rushed towards the sun. As he was near the sun, Anjanae suddenly saw a very large head of a demon heading to gobble up the sun. He got very angry. I cannot allow somebody else to steal the fruit that I wish to eat, he thought. It was the hour of solar eclipse. Legend has it that the sun god had exposed the true identity of demon Rahu during the churning of the Milky Ocean. Since then, Rahu swallows the sun now and then as revenge, thereby causing solar eclipse. Unaware of this fact, Anjanae heaved and pushed away demon Rahu before he could go to grab his fruit. Anjanae races towards the sun. A fierce fight began between Rahu and Anjanae. But Rahu was no match to Anjanae's strength and was beaten up badly. Rahu scampered away to Lord Indra. Even though Indra was Rahu's enemy, yet he was his only recourse against such a powerful child. On hearing about the child, Indra himself was anxious. If this child gobbles up the sun, then I would be his next victim, he mused. Indra immediately mounted Airavat and rushed towards the sun. At the same time, the sun god, Surya, got worried when he saw Anjanae approaching him. Surya started yelling, "Stop, child! You will hurt yourself. Don't come any nearer." This baffled Anjanae. How is a fruit asking me not to eat it? Is it playing a trick? He pondered. He moved faster towards the sun. The terrible hot rays from the sun were burning his face, but Anjanae was determined to eat the fruit. Anjanae attacked by Indra. Surya was worried when he saw that his blazing rays had no effect on Anjanae. Meanwhile, Indra reached there. He too was puzzled to see how the child pulled through the harsh rays of the sun. He wondered what he could do to stop the child from becoming a threat to everyone. Without thinking about the outcome of his action, Indra hurled his Vajra, thunderbolt, straight at the innocent child. The weapon struck on Anjanae's jaw with so much force that he fell unconscious back to earth. The wind god Vayu, who was flowing around, saw all that had happened. He was witness to his cherished Anjanae being shot at by the impulsive Indra. He also saw Anjanae fall headlong from the skies. Vayu rushed and swooped up Anjanae in his arms. To his horror, he found that the child was not breathing. He tried to revive Anjanae, but without any success. Vayu's anger. When Vayu saw what Indra had done to Anjanae, he lost his temper. He picked Anjanae up and hid in a cave in Patal. Vayu was furious with Indra. He thought of punishing the people of earth for worshipping such a deity. He was the Lord of Wind, so he withdrew all the air from the universe and kept it with him. Suddenly, the world plunged into panic. Gods, people, animals, plants and demons gasped for air. There was agony everywhere. But Vayu was least bothered as his beloved Anjanae was lying lifeless. People on earth prayed to Brahma to save them from this catastrophe. Brahma hurried to Patal and saw Vayu sitting beside the lifeless body of Anjanae, with tears streaming down his face. Brahma asked him, "Vayu, you are not doing your duties. Why is that so?" Vayu let out an anguished cry. "I can't. Indra killed my child, my lord."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.